Hey guys, today we're gonna unbox this. It's my birthday gift. Alright, so now we're gonna open it. And I'm so excited. You guys take the first look. Yo, it's so cool. Yo, I love it. Yeah, now we're just gonna put it back in the smoke. Yo. Just the fire.
Kopihan mo nga.
Huh?
Kayahin mo nga.
Okay.
Comparison. Hindi ko kopihan mo.
Okay. That's it for today. Bye-bye.
Tagalin mo daw.
Yo, guys, look at this. Alright, bye, guys. So cool.